This is the MAGIC R10 smartwatch, an AMOLED, beautiful smartwatch with all kinds of different features and controls in it. You've got great watch faces. You've got all kinds of controls, changeable and adjustable in the control center. Notifications sent from your phone. You've got all kinds of cards here. You got date, time, all of that information. Your step count tabs. Music player integrated with here. Last night's sleep time, heart rate, blood oxygen, temperature, on and on. Stress, alarms, and of course you can edit, change these things around, add things to them. When you swipe this way now, we are getting into closing your circles for step count, distance traveled, calories burned. You can show more, and when you do, you get into, oh wow, it jumps from day to day too. Awesome. I get so easily distracted. Distance, steps again, and calories burned over the past week. Really sweet. When you go further, you got heart rate information, your resting heart rate. You go into any of these, you can get deeper information on those as well. You can get your hourly heart rate information. All of that's available. Come over here, you got blood oxygen, same kind of thing. Then you've got stress level, which will give you a computation on a 0 to 100 about how stressed out you are. And mood. Are you calm or peaceful or not so? It's right there. There's the chart for your last night's sleep information. Much more in the Tethering app for this one. Your weather in your local area, including, wow, all kinds of forecast information in here by days for a week or so. Your different activity in here. GPS in this watch, guys. Very nice, very accurate, and clicks in real easily. You can activate any of these, tie in the GPS. Notice it times out into an always-on display if you want. You can twist your wrist to light it up. You can cover it to turn it down. You can tap it to turn it on. It's infinite, and all of this is under your control. But we were over here taking a look at that, and here's all your phone stuff. Call logs, contacts, music player. You can play the music from your phone through the watch or control it on your phone directly in here. And you can add or change the widgets as well. The nice little KOSPET dial on here lets you tab into all of the apps. And there's your calling, your workouts, your heart rate, everything we just saw. Weather again, compass is built into this one. And it's a really nice, accurate, fast adjusting compass. You've got barometric pressure, altitude, world clock in it, stopwatch, which runs in the background, still running from when I was doing the review earlier. I always do these short one afterwards because by then I know what's going on. Timers, calculators. It's really a sweet watch. Ladies, you got your whole cycle information. You can scroll ahead and back to find out good times and interesting times. It is a sweet watch. It comes with this rubberized band. You can get a nice leather band to go with it as well from their company store. It's hot here today. Definitely waterproof. Thank goodness. I'm sweating like crazy. It is the R10 for round MAGIC, the MAGIC R10. Check it out.